Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will show you how to draw and paint simple watercolor painting of a beautiful and lovely girl. So first we draw a line like this, and then we draw this whole outline step by step of our dream and a beautiful girl. After drawing this nose, then we draw the lips. First we draw a circle like this, and then we draw one more circle, and then one line from here, and then we draw a circle for hair here like this, and then we draw the neck, and our sketch is ready. I'm using here 4 color, which is scarlet black, Persian blue and white acrylic. So let's go. First we spread our water, then after we mix Persian blue and spread it like this. Then we will use our dry brush to remove these colors. First we have to wash our brush and then make it dry and then use it like this. And then after we will make it dry, and then apply second layer of Persian blue. Then we will blend it with a little bit water with our brush like this. You can pause our videos to draw step by step and paint. Then we will mix our scarlet black and Persian blue to make it a little bit black like this. And then we will apply it on this face. If you want to watch more simple and interesting videos of watercolor step by step tutorial, then please check on description. I have given already a playlist link which will help you a lot to draw and paint simple watercolor painting. And it is so interesting because I have made so much videos in interesting topics which can will help you to increase your drawing and painting skill and interest a lot. So please check on description. I have given already a link which will help you a lot, I hope. And if you enjoyed this video a lot, then please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, because it is so important for this channel. So please do like and share with your friends and family. I have used handmade texture paper. If you want more about this video, which materials I have used, then please check on description. I have already given a link. You can buy it on Amazon or Flipkart if you want. Then we will apply a dark tone on this head and face. After drawing this face and painting, then we will draw and paint the hair like this. Watch this video at the end, and I hope you will enjoy a lot to draw and paint this watercolor painting step by step. I hope it is so interesting to draw and paint. Then please don't forget to like and share, because it is so important to this channel, because we want to achieve 50,000 subscribers. So please support us to achieve 50,000 subscribers in this month. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Then after we will draw these pine trees from here and also in heads, and then after we will draw birds, beautiful birds, which makes this painting more attractive. After painting these beautiful birds, then we will apply our white acrylic paint in this head and make it more attractive. I'm using this acrylic paint. Then we will mix it and spread it like this. I love recycle, that's why I'm using here my black pen for spreading this, and also for drawing stars. I will show you. So now I am using my black pen for drawing these stars. I hope you enjoy this trick to draw stars like this. It is looking so beautiful. Then after I am using my 0.5 brush for making these stars like this. So please comment your views about this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Tell them about this video. And if you want more interesting videos in simple watercolor painting, then please comment us in comment section. We will definitely make. So it's ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. Then please don't forget to like and share. I am telling it a lot because it is so important for our this YouTube channel, because we want to achieve 50,000 subscribers in this month. So if you have not subscribed yet, then please get subscribed now. Click here to get subscribed now. And if you have subscribed, then thanks a lot for support us to achieve our goal of 50,000 subscribers. I will see you soon with more interesting videos. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks once again and have a nice day.